I may do things that are American like mac and cheese, potato, but over here is another bottle of wine. As you can see, I opened this already. This one is a Pinot Gris. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dee and this is the Optimistic Network. Today's video is just gonna be my Thanksgiving grocery haul. I just came from the grocery store. As you can see, no makeup or nothing. I just went to get some stuffs that I'll be needing for Thanksgiving. I am a Caribbean girl. I'm from the Caribbean. I say that I have been living in America for over 13 years. So I've been celebrating Thanksgiving. When I host Thanksgiving, I usually keep it Caribbean. So it's all Caribbean stuff that I would eat in Jamaica, because that's the kind of food that I'm drawn to. I love food, I eat other food, but I'm more drawn to my culture. So I'm more drawn to Jamaican food. I just love taste, I love flavor, I love spice, and that's what I get from home, and I love it and I wouldn't change it for the world. Whenever I cook on Thanksgiving, I do a Caribbean theme. I may do things that are American like mac and cheese. So I got some grocery and I figured before I put them away, I could just do like a little Thanksgiving grocery haul. But before we get into all of that, I would like to tell you guys that I'm really thankful for you guys. I love you guys a lot, and I hope that if you're celebrating Thanksgiving, you have a good one. I hope you get to spend it with your loved ones and you're thankful for them and you give praise to the Most High. If you're not celebrating Thanksgiving, I'm still thankful for you. I love you guys. I wish all of you guys could come to my Thanksgiving and we share whatever I have. Since you guys can't make it to my Thanksgiving, I just want to shout out to you guys and hope you have a great and a wonderful Thanksgiving, and not just on Thanksgiving Day, but every day. Another thing, if you're new here, I would love it if you'd subscribe and become a member of the family. But if you've been here and you've been rocking, don't forget to turn your notification bell on, and don't forget to get active in the comment. So I'm just gonna go through random stuffs and show you what I got and kind of just tell you what I'll be preparing with them. And I'm gonna start with the good old potato. This is just regular Idaho potato. I got them in the store. I kind of usually get the cheapest potato. I really don't care. It's either gonna be some mashed potato, or I'll add potato to like my curry goat, my oxtail, or anything, but mainly it's just some mashed potato or something like that. It's no big deal with the potato, and I doubt I'll be making mashed potato, so the potato is just probably gonna be a part of my curry or my stew. I got some goat meat. There's an African store here, and that's where I usually find my goat meat, so I just went there and I bought a bag. That's how they sell the bag. It's like 4 pounds. I probably won't use all of it, but I did got some goat meat because we decided that we were gonna do curry goat as a part of our dish for Thanksgiving. Then I got some chicken feet. They call them chicken paws, but we call them chicken feet. I love chicken feet. I grew up eating chicken feet, but recent studies have shown that chicken feet are very good for you, so I'll probably just curry them or stew them or something. I'm not sure yet, but I know that I'm gonna make some chicken feet. I guess for the American tradition, Thanksgiving is not Thanksgiving without a turkey, so I did go with the flow and got a turkey. I do not know if this is the best one. I just got a turkey. It doesn't really matter to me. Usually people roast it. I've roasted a couple of years and I really don't like it that way. And my guess, they're mainly Caribbean, they really don't like it that way either. So what I'm gonna do is kind of French fry the turkey, deep fry, kind of like I did deep fry French fried chicken. I'll do it the same way with some egg and season the flour. I have a French fried chicken video. If you haven't checked that out, go check it out. That's the bombest way to fry chicken. So I'm gonna fry the turkey that way. But keep in mind, if you're thinking of frying your turkey, make sure you use a deep pot and you use a lot of oil in the pot and you watch it. You stay close. I want you guys to stay safe this holiday because there's always a lot of accident on Thanksgiving. What I usually do with my turkey, I just cut it up, take the leg apart, take the wing apart, everything, and just flour it and fry it. And that's how I've been doing it, and that's how I'm gonna do it because that's how we like it. So I'm not even gonna like fry any chicken or anything like that. I'll just fry the turkey. Cucumber, because I'm gonna make like a green salad, so I got a cucumber. Maggi noodles, I think I already have some of these, but I got some more. What I'm gonna do is boil corn because I got some frozen corn. Honestly, usually I don't prefer frozen corn. I prefer fresh corn that I have to peel the trash off, but it's not that time of year. It's time for frozen corn, so I got some frozen corn. What I usually do is kind of just make a corn soup, just regular corn soup. So I'll boil the corn and then I'll add a couple of these. After the corn is boiled, I'll add a couple of those and probably a couple potatoes. I'll just put in there, kind of like a hot broth to drink. You need that. So kind of just heat up your stomach so you don't get a hangover when you drink, or you don't feel sick from overeating, to digest your stomach a little. And then we eat the corn too. Then I got some frozen mixed vegetables, just regular seasonal vegetable, frozen mixed vegetable, because I like a lot of vegetable. I know Thanksgiving time we eat a lot of meat, a lot of carbs, so you have to include your vegetables. So I'm gonna make like about 3 or 4 vegetable dishes. Then I got some carrots again for vegetable. I'm planning on kind of like sauteing some corn, some string bean, and some cabbage together. I'll probably make some carrot juice with ginger. Then I got some rice. Would not be a Caribbean Thanksgiving without some good rice and peas or some nice steamed white rice with butter. I got sugar, regular brown sugar, because I'm planning on baking, you know, black cake. I call it black cake because if I say fruit cake, to me fruit cake is something different. I usually just call it black cake, but if you're Jamaican, you know what I'm talking about. That Jamaica black cake with a lot of rum, that's what I'm planning on baking. I got my raisins and everything to soak them. I got some oil. This is for frying the turkey. It's just regular vegetable oil. I got some oil. Usually I love frying with olive oil, but I cannot afford olive oil to fry a turkey. Then I got some elbowed macaroni for the macaroni and cheese. Then I got some escallion. That's what I call this, escallion. If you're Jamaican, that's what you call this, either escallion or scallion, but some people call it spring onion, some people call it green onion, but hey, my Jamaicans, this is scallion. We call it scallion. So I got scallion because as a mean a spice, because I don't use a lot of processed seasoning to cook, so I usually will use a lot of garlic, a lot of scallion, a lot of onion and stuff. I got a couple of garlics, couple of heads of garlics. I have like 2 here because I cook with a lot of garlic, and probably that's why I don't get sick often, because garlic is a great medicine, has great health benefit, and I cook with a lot of garlic. Everything I put garlic in, and I usually use a lot, and I usually get the regular good old garlic the good old way. I don't want my garlic already crushed. I don't want my garlic in water. I don't want my garlic in oil. If I can get the garlic just shell and regular, which I used to get but I don't get that no more, I would buy that. The thing is, when I buy them already shelled out, first of all, they're very expensive. Second of all, they go bad so quick. These on the club, they last you a long time. So I get my regular garlic. It's just a little extra work to shell it off. If you want me to show you how to shell your garlic off quick and easy, I can show you, but I got the regular garlic. Then I got this green leaves. I see it as lettuce, but people may beg to differ. They may just call it green leaves, but it's kind of just lettuce leaves. And like I said, I like a lot of greens. I like a lot of vegetables. I'm not young anymore, and I can't eat so many carbs and feel good and comfortable. So I usually just eat a lot of greens. Then I got some good old all-purpose flour, just good old regular. I got some raisin because I'm gonna soak these in rum for my rum cake, for my black cake. I ordered browning on Amazon and they'll be coming Monday, so I'm gonna soak these raisins to make my black cake. I love black cake. This is the time of year that I indulge in cake and all that. Not like I need to or I should, but it's just what it is. And you're a Caribbean person, there is no holiday, no Christmas, no Thanksgiving, nothing without rum. I got a bottle of apple brandy. Usually I like the extra smooth, but they didn't have that. I got 2 bottles of wine. This one is white Zinfandel. I've never really had Zinfandel, but I know about it. And this one is just a regular red Merlot, and it's dry because I like Merlot. This is my favorite. Thanksgiving is not going to be at my house. I'm going to a friend's house, but I'm preparing a lot of stuff from here the morning, the night before and the morning, and then I'll just bring them to her house. So yeah, I got wine. This is the one I'll be drinking for sure. Or here I got some onions. Like I said, I use a lot of scallion, onion and garlic to cook. I got some Roma tomatoes. I just bought them by the pound. Fresh green beans here. Just fresh green beans. There's nothing to it. Just green beans. What I'll be doing. I did say I was going to saute some green beans, carrot and cabbage and things like that. And when I do my saute, it's real good. Then I have a bottle of cherry. With the cherry, I have pineapple. I got 2 cans of pineapple slices. And this is in 100% pineapple juice. And I have some cherries because usually I do my ham with pineapple and cherry. And I'll insert a picture of how I do my ham, how it looks. Some of this cherry to soak with rum to go in that black cake that I'm gonna make. Then I have a corned beef, just regular Great Value corned beef. Let me tell you this, I like corned beef. We're used to eating corned beef and rice. Back home, corned beef and rice is a staple dish, just an easy, nice staple dish. But let me tell you this, corned beef in America is so expensive. I can't imagine how expensive it is back home. So I got a corned beef, but the plan for this corned beef is to kind of make devil egg. I'm trying out a dish. I know it's gonna be real good. I'm gonna do like devil eggs, but I'm gonna stuff it with corned beef. And what I'm gonna do is kind of season the corned beef. So cut up some onion and some scallion and tomato small, and then mix it up with the corned beef and kind of probably heat it up a little, and then I'm gonna stuff it in the egg white. I've never tried that. That just came to mind the other day, and I just figured that would be really nice. Over here is another bottle of wine. As you can see, I opened this already. This one is a Pinot Grigio, and I already opened this, so this is not going anywhere, but in me, just calories. I have some eggs here, regular white eggs, nothing to it. It's a twin pack white large eggs and just some regular evaporated milk. I guess this is gonna go in the mac and cheese. So this is evaporated milk, just regular evaporated milk. When I do mac and cheese, I don't put evaporated milk in my mac and cheese. I put almond milk. But the person who's going to do the mac and cheese, they want evaporated milk. Don't ask me why. I hope I like Colby Mantra Jack cheese for the mac and cheese again. Regular Country Crock butter, and this is just for whatever, but I know I'm gonna use some for the black cake, so that's the main reason I got this big tub. I've never bought this big tub of butter, so that's the main reason I bought this big tub for the black cake. But I know some is gonna go in the mac and cheese, some may go in rice if I make rice, some may go in the rice and peas or whatever. Sharp cheddar, and sharp cheddar again is for the mac and cheese. And I also got a Velveeta original cheese. This is a Barra cheese. I got this again, it's for the mac and cheese, and again I'm not making the mac and cheese. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I reminded you of something that you forgot, something that you didn't get as yet, so you can go to the store and get it before Thursday, because Thursday is Thanksgiving. Again, I wish you guys all the best of happiness, and I hope you have a lot to be thankful for. As the festive season draw near, this is a part of my happy video, because I said I'm only gonna make happy videos until after the holiday. I strive to make only happy videos, but the truth is not always happy. So I hope you guys are happy, or you're working on your happiness, working on yourself, because that's where your happiness comes from. And you have a great Thanksgiving. God bless you. Mwah, mwah, mwah.